guys, it's me, Shannon Rodriguez, and welcome to my space, my video, my makeup area. This is the look that I'm going to be doing today. A nice pretty cut crease, a nice highlighter. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe to my channel, click the button down below, add the little notification bell, and let's get started with this video. To start off with my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Optimal Illusion Complexion Primer. About that much. Actually, just kidding. About that much for my face. I like to focus it on my T area, so start here, and in the center of my face, I move everything outwards. I also like to press it into my pores, make sure they blur out my imperfections. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Nars All Day Luminous Wearless Foundation in the shade Santa Fe, medium 2. I like this brush. This is my favorite foundation brush that I found, actually. I like it more than my Real Techniques brush that I have. I gotta say that I like these together. It looks good. My pores look tiny. My foundation looks good. La Gucci. This. I'm gonna be using the Lumi concealer. And I'm just gonna be applying these right here. You gotta make like a little triangle. Boop. And then you gotta make another little triangle. Boop. And you just fill it in. That's it. And then you add some right here in the center of your nose, and then right here on your chin. And now you look like you're in a cult. Are you laughing at me right now?
No.
Why?
Please. Walk away.
Or maybe I should have said try. Recommendation for something to watch. You guys, 2 recommendations actually. You should watch Black Panther. Amazing, phenomenal. I love that movie so much. I want to watch it again. And what was it? Oh, no, Sparrow. Watch Sparrow. It's a really good movie. Is it Red Sparrow or is it just Sparrow? It's either Sparrow or Red Sparrow. It just came out a few weeks ago and it is amazing. Rated R, I'm pretty sure. There's a lot of boobies, there's a lot of butts. Do you see any dicks in there? I don't think so. Done. This foundation looks super, super radiant. I love it. I love it. Okay. Moving on, we're gonna move on to the eyes, but you know, before I start my eyes, I put my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 05 Fair. I have a cool idea for my eyes today. Let's see if it works out. You know when you have like an image in your head, and then it doesn't come out the same? So let's hope. That's such a good line while you're baking your face. What's cooking good looking? I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion for my eyes right now. I should probably zoom you guys in. I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette right now. I'm going to be using the color Chaser right here to set the primer that I put on my eyes. And I'm gonna take it all the way down to, all the way up to my eyebrow. Going into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm gonna be using the color Georgia right here, this really light pink. I'm gonna put that straight into my crease, because what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna attempt to make a really nice cut crease. So I want to use this shade as one of the transitions. I'm going to start really, really light and I'm going to work my way up to really, really dark. And I'm going to keep this right above my lid. So I'm going to bring it all the way up here. I'm going to swoop it just gently. Okay, kitty, you're going to lay right there. Okay. Can I put the palette on you? Thank If you lift your eyebrows up, it helps you put the color right above your lid because you can really see the space. And just swoop it out just a little bit. It doesn't have to be too precise right now. We're gonna go on with a darker shade later. I'm gonna be using white peach now. And I'm gonna be using this because I'm gonna highlight my eyebrow with it right now so I don't have to worry about it later. And it blends straight into our look. Probably should have done my eyebrows first, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna be taking this really dark purple now and I'm gonna make the sharp line from up here to out, and then I'm gonna blend colors into it. I'm gonna be using the color Delectable, this color right here. And I'm taking like a really packly, tighted brush. I'm gonna take this little fluffy brush right now and I'm just gonna buff this line out a little bit. It's looking a little crusty right now. A little crusty. I hate you right now.
That's it, I swear, I promise.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Now it's really, really soft and now we're gonna build on it. Using the Carli Bybel palette, I'm gonna be going into the darkest purple shade in the palette, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna be putting that straight on top of the line that I just made and a little bit above it and buff it out. Make sure that you buff that in really, really well. You want this to be clean lines, nice and buffed out. I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush to blend this out. Going back into the first pinky shade that we use, Georgia, we're just gonna add that in. Again, blend out the ends. You know, you want it to look seamless. Going back into the really, really dark purple Delectable that we used, I'm just gonna take the tiniest little bit and even rub some off of my brush to darken up the little edge right here. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Tarte Maracuja concealer. I'm just going to take a little brush like this to cut my concealer. Work really, really slowly to cut the crease. And we're going to take it from the inner corner all the way out and swoosh it out. Now that's somewhat what you should come up with. Going into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette again, we're going to be going into a color called Bellini. This color right here. Ignore my broken nail. And what I'm going to try to do is leave a little bit of that white line. I'm gonna take any like skin color looking shade. So from the Carli Bybel palette, this first shade, I'm just going to dab my brush into that and just kind of go where I left the white space right there. Just kind of dab it right on top of it. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner really quick. This is the Maybelline Eye Studio in Baddest Black. And I'm just gonna take a nice little brush and I'm gonna do my eyeliner with it right now. For the eyeliner, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna make a really tiny thin line going across and just outward without actually touching the top colors, you know? Alright, so this is how this eye should look now. I bought this Urban Decay Heavy Metal. It comes in this pretty little package like so. So pretty. I bought the color Punk Rock. Those are such cool names. And I'm gonna put it right above the white line, right on top of the dark purple and out. Alrighty, so this is supposed to be how the eye look turns out. I'm gonna get off camera really quick, finish this eye, and then I'll be back so we can finish our under eyes and the rest of our face. Okay, so this is the other eye. One eye. The other eye. I added one more layer of the metallic Punk Rock from Urban Decay. For eyelashes, I'm gonna be using the Ardell Wispies. I lost the little case for it. Whoops. So these are the lashes that I'm gonna be plopping on right now. BRB. These are the lashes. They look really pretty with this look. These wispies, I love the wispies. I think they're my favorite lashes. Going in with a nice pencil brush, I'm going to be going in with Delectable from the Sweet Peach palette. And I'm just going to be putting that on the under part of my eye and blending it out really nicely. Let's be smoky. Let's go in with the black eyeliner. This is the Urban Decay 24 Hour in the color 0. And we're just gonna put that into our waterline right now. I'm gonna contour with my Benefit Hoola Bronzer really quick. I hit pan on it. To bronze my face now, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild bronzer. It's called Bikini Contest. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Party Blush. Looks like so. Has a really pretty color. For eyebrows, I'm going to be doing them off camera, but I'm going to be using the Jordana Fabubrow. I'm going to be using this on my eyebrows right now. Moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. Taking a small little brush, I'm gonna highlight my nose right now. What I like to do for my nose is I like to make a little dot right in the center and then a little line over here. Okay, for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Milani Statement Lip Liner. Oh shit. This is the lip color right there, the lip liner, and I'm just gonna put this Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxy color. It's called Go Getter. Okay, so this is the lip color. This is everything put together. I really, really like this look. I feel like I did a really good job. High five to me. I hope that you guys like this look right here. And stay tuned for my next video.